Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the new upgraded version of the ULANZI VL49 RGB light. Let's go. This light is great money for value. The VL49 Pro RGB is an upgraded version of the VL49 RGB. It is affordable, compact RGB video light, perfect for interviews, vlogs, streaming, and even film recording. It has 360 degrees of RGB. When set to the RGB mode, you can choose between all the colors of the rainbow in 360 steps. It has adjustable color temperature. The lamp also has a white and yellow LEDs, allowing you to set the temperature between 250 Kelvin, which is a nice warm light, to 9,000 Kelvin to a beautiful crisp bright white. 20 kinds of simulated light effects. It is lightweight, compact. The VL49 Pro is only 2.7 centimeters thick and it weighs in at 114 grams. That is super light. It has a long battery life. This little light is built in with 2500 milliamps of battery power, so that can give you up to 90 consecutive minutes of illumination. It is charged by USB-C and also has a 1/4-inch mount to mount onto tripods. It comes with a cold shoe. How amazing is that? So you can connect your 1/4-inch and then connect it to your camera. You've got a portable lightweight light to fit on your camera. It comes with a diffuser as well, and also a honeycomb to get those beautiful lighting effects. So whether you're a photographer, videographer, or you like taking photos and you just need that little bit of extra light, well, the VL49 Pro RGB light from ULANZI is a must-have to have in your kit. It is so lightweight, you barely even know it's there. It is so powerful. I absolutely love it. All right guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, as I've got some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. I will leave links for everything below, so if you want to pick up one of these ULANZI lights, please use that link. It helps support this channel and every other bit of equipment I use. I'll leave links down there too. If you'd like to check out my Amazon store, I have some cool ideas of things that I love there. So check that out. If you'd like to collab with me, please, contact details will be below as well. Until next time guys, this is Colin from Colin out.